We just got the new Create Room DreamBox 2 for our craft lab. Since we're pretty busy over here designing new crafts and filming new workshops, we picked the pre-built service to save some time. But you can cut the cost with DIY assembly. Either way, ask a friend to give you a hand. All we had to do was attach the 2 sets of swing doors, add the crown with the double light, and our little room in a box was ready to load. I love organizing, especially craft materials. So here are my top 5 time-saving tips to organize your dream box. Number 1, curate your craft stash. Organize everything into 3 categories: most used, keep for later, and donate. You can add your most used supplies to your dream box first, then tuck your keep for later pile in the extra spaces or in labeled boxes elsewhere. And you can donate a fun box of crafty goodies to a school teacher or retirement center. 2, sort by craft category. Write a list of the types of crafts you make. You can write them onto these tabs and use them to mark the category zones in your dream box. And of course, you can always move them around. And number 3, let's organize each category. This is where you can start adding things into your totes, containers, hooks, and rods within their craft zones. I like to be able to find everything I need to make my crepe paper flowers in one zone. Number 4, make swatch cards. For all of your materials that have multiple colors or patterns, using swatch cards is an easy way to quickly select materials and keep your dream box organized. I even make swatch cards for my paints. Number 5 is my favorite, and it's label everything. It's so easy to find supplies quickly when they're labeled. They also help when putting things back in their place. And that's why I feel labeling is the best time-saving tip. So here we are, my DreamBox 2 is completely organized. And I have to tell you, I have put one of every single thing from our shop in this box. These things hold more than you can even imagine. You can use the link below for these organization worksheets, more swatch card templates, and editable labels.